Imagine a world where you never have to worry about your bike being stolen again. What if you could double that peace of mind, not just for one bike, but two, with a single, incredibly robust solution? That's exactly what the Seatylock FoldyLock Forever Set promises, and after diving deep into its features, it's truly impressive how much thought has gone into securing your ride. Right out of the box, you get two of these formidable folding locks, and here's the genius part. They come with 6 identical keys. This means no more fumbling for the right key if you're locking up 2 bikes, or if you and your partner are heading out. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in daily convenience, especially for couples or families with multiple bikes. Now, let's talk security, because that's where the FoldyLock Forever really shines. This isn't just any lock. It boasts an 1818 max security level and is sold Secure Gold certified. For those unfamiliar, that's the highest rating you can get, essentially telling thieves to move along. We're talking 6.5 hardened steel plates that laugh in the face of bolt cutters and saws. The construction feels incredibly solid, and you can tell it's built to withstand serious attempts at tampering. The patented design includes ultra-strong anti-tamper rivets and a guard system specifically engineered to resist side attacks, which is a common vulnerability in lesser locks. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your bicycle. Beyond brute strength, Seatylock has thought about the practicalities of daily use. These locks are designed to be unbreakable, waterproof, and weatherproof. So whether you're caught in a sudden downpour or leaving your bike out in the elements, you can trust that the lock itself won't degrade or fail. And for those who appreciate a quiet ride, the included frame mount is a game changer. It secures the lock firmly to your bike, eliminating any annoying rattling or jiggling as you cycle, whether it's a mountain bike, road bike, e-bike, or even a scooter. The 35.4-inch circumference gives you plenty of reach to secure your frame and wheel to various fixtures. The material choice, hardened steel with a nylon 6 and glass fibers cover, not only adds to its durability, but also protects your bike's paint from scratches, another thoughtful touch. It's compact too, measuring just 2.72 by 1.85 by 8.07 inches when folded, making it surprisingly portable despite its heavy-duty nature. And with a 3-year warranty, Seatylock clearly stands behind the reliability and durability of these locks. In a world where bike theft is a constant worry, the Seatylock FoldyLock Forever Set offers a truly robust and intelligent solution. It combines top-tier security with practical, user-friendly features, giving you genuine peace of mind. If you're serious about protecting your valuable ride or rides, this set is an outstanding investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.